Everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Henderson. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser. In the top there is address bar. You need to type down pay traffic ticket online in Henderson and enter it. And from the search result here you need to select this top. So from here what you need to do is you need to go to this municipal court here and select this payment of certain fines or fees. So over here what you can do is and you need to select this enter a plea, accept or responsibility and select this pay a traffic citation. So from here, what you need to do is you need to type down your date of birth and your citation number here. And after that, select continue and you can proceed to it. And after that, you can select pay a traffic citation. You can review the amount due and pay online and save a confirmation. And eligible online payment except Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover and e-check. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.